Hi everyone! As you know, I'm Damaris, and today's video is a little bit different because I'm gonna be unboxing my Boxycharm box. I have the regular subscription, I don't have the deluxe. I have the base box. So the base box is obviously the lowest pricing subscription that they have. And yeah, I'm excited for this one. I did do a choice this month. So I did choose one of the items. That's what it means when you do a choice. And the item I chose was Lily Lashes Mascara. And I chose that because out of all the things that the choices that they gave, I thought that one was something that I wanted to try. I'm not much of a skincare routine kind of gal. Like I do, you know, take care of my skin, but I don't like so many skincare products. With that said, I do have a couple, but I don't want it constantly coming in my Boxycharm subscription. So without further ado, I'm gonna be opening the box. First thing I see, I did just say that I'm not a very skincare product kind of gal. And the first thing is Dr. Brand's Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. Let me see how this looks like. Okay, so it's a mask. I'm pretty sure this is pretty expensive because Dr. Brand, I've seen it a lot in other places and it's pricey. Okay, so I guess I will use that. Okay, so this other thing I see is Hola Neon Velvet Liquid Lipstick in the shade The Easy Cell. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so it's this color. Okay, so this is what I chose in the choice day. Boxycharm has one specific day where you can choose one product out of your monthly bag, and that day is only that day. And like I guess like I don't know if it's a full 24 hours, but I recently found out about this, that you know that specific day you can choose one product, but the later you log on to choose something, the less chances of choosing things you have, because like some things run out. And I feel like I've noticed that I've done choosing like 3 times already, and I've noticed that already, that like if I log in because I forgot to log in the morning and I log in the afternoon or late, I basically have like 2 or 3 choices as to compare to other days that I've logged in early and I have like 5 choices. You know what I mean? But anyways, this one is Lily Lashes XXX Mascara. Let's see how this looks. Oh, okay, and I like these that are like hairy. The bristles. They're not like plastic. I don't know if you'd call them plastic, but you know what I mean? Like, okay, the next thing I got, it's this Laura Geller Multitasking Eye Lip Cheek Palette Cream to Powder Trio Shades of Nude. And the shades are Tuscan Coral, Coconut Grove, and Gold Dust. This is how it looks like. Honestly, I could live without this. I could live without it. Like, it's cute. Don't get me wrong, it's cute. But I have a ton of bronzers and blushes and I don't need that lipstick. I got lipstick. So this is definitely not one of my favorites. Okay, so on to the last product. Ooh. Touch and Soul Philip Orange Palette. This looks promising. This is how it looks like. I'm gonna say, honestly, these are good colors. These are good nudes. Like, it's a good palette to take when you go on vacation or when you're traveling, because it has so many nude, like neutral colors. Orangey, yes, but neutral. Only thing though is that they're very sparkly, so they're not so matte. And I don't know if you can blend sparkly eyeshadow. I will say this is my favorite color. I don't know if you guys see this, but it's very, very sparkling. Okay, that's my favorite color in this whole palette. So yeah, that was basically it. Unboxing Boxycharm. I got 5 full-size products for $25. And yeah, this month's bag was like that. To be honest, I'm not so happy with this month's bag. It was not that appealing to me. The products were not amazing for my taste, obviously. But I think it is worth it at the end of the day, because I got really good products for $25. That I love them, it's a different story, but it's good products. Other months I have gotten really great boxes that, I love every single thing I get. So, I'm gonna start showing you guys month by month everything I get in my boxes, so you guys can actually see. I'm kind of sad that this is the first time I'm actually recording the unboxing of a Boxycharm box, and it's the first box that I get that I'm not so happy about the products that I get. But I'll be, filming every other box that I keep getting, and so you guys can see. Anyways, this is the end of this video. Hope you enjoy it, and yeah, let me know if you guys want me to do different kinds of videos. I'm gonna keep on doing unboxing things, and now I'm gonna start adding a little bit more of different things, not just makeup. I'm gonna start adding a little bit of my Loungefly bags, Funko Pops, and some other good things. So this is the box with all its glory. See you guys next time. Bye.